Murimo wa COVID-19 ni ucungiriirie kuhotoma kwa mihango meingi bururi-ini, imwe wayo wari kuhingwo gwa thibitari munene wa Kajiado county-ini ino. Ona gukiri uguo riu thibitari ni ucokereirie mihango yao ya oro muthenya, arwaru makioneka gubanga raini metereire gutungatirwo thutha wa gukorwo magite motungata maya kwa ihinda. Kuringana na ndagitari munene Opiyo Odhiambo, motungata maria magukorwo magithie na mbere ni ma kliniki cia atumia aria mari na ciana hamwe na motungata ma thieta na mangi.
Following the directive by the Ministry of Health, I can now inform you that most of these services are back. We are now doing the elective operations as directed, and also some of the clinics are back. One of them is the medical outpatient clinic for our patients with hypertension and diabetes, and also for the children.
Thibitari uyu uri utungatagira arwaru makiria ma 3,000 oro muthenya uhinguritwo thutha wa kwamukira indo cia kwigitia COVID-19 na magakorwo mari na wadi cia kuiga kieheria arwaru aria marekwirwo gukorwo na murimu ucio.
As part of the hospital preparedness, we took certain measures to contain the spread of COVID to our patients and also to the members of staff. And some of the measures that we took as a hospital, one of them was to suspend all specialized clinics. These are clinics that are usually run every week by our specialists.
Oho ni magukorwo magithurima na guthima aria othe maraingira guku itemi-ini ria kuhotomia gutherema gwa coronavirus. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Getwo Nduta, Wanyuthe.